Don't hit them hard.
Just be light on the brakes.
Right.
Just kind of like have it on, so the truck's just like barely moving. Don't
Go
tap
down
on
the
them
way
hard.
to go down there.
We were getting the rest of the trail done too fast. So
Just let the brakes go, okay?
process.
Alright, put him straight. Put him straight. Okay, that's good. Just
Stupid
drive it a
FJ
little bit.
drivers trying to do things they have no business doing.
Drive it a little bit. A little more.
He's going fast.
Whoa! Roll out!
He went too fast over that.
Oh, it slid.
It slid.
Slid
The tire's not aired?
Nice.
Good.
That was very good.
All right.
You want to get that on video?
Yes! Yes!